Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone. Now today I am going to start from sum number 17 from the exercise 7.2. Here if A by B equal to C by D equal to E by F, then prove that P square plus D square plus F square multiply with A square plus C square plus E square, and which is equal to AB plus CD plus EK. So first here A by B plus C by D A by B equal to C by D equal to E by F, and that equal to K say. So from here A equal to BK, C equal to DK and E equal to FK. Now in the left hand side here B square plus D square plus F square. So just write down B square plus D square plus F square, and instead of A square write down B square K square, then C square write down D square K square, and then E square write down F square K square. So here B square plus D square plus F square, and here K square will be common, so that will be B square plus D square plus F square. So that equal to B square plus D square plus F square, and here K square and its whole square. Here 2 times, that's why whole square. Now the right hand side here AB. Okay, so if A equal to BK, then AB equal to B square K. Now next one CD. So C equal to D square K and EK, that equal to F square K. Now here K will be common, so if K common outside, then here square, so that will be K square. So K square into B square plus D square plus F square whole square. So that equal to left hand side equal to right hand side. Now the next part. Now here the second part. Here left hand side equal to AQ plus CQ whole square by BQ plus DQ whole square, and right hand side equal to E to the power 6 by F to the power 6. So first, as A means BK, so AQ means BQ KQ, then CQ, so that means DQ KQ. Now divided by BQ plus DQ whole square, and it's also whole square. So here KQ will be common. If KQ will be common and here square outside, so it will be K to the power 6 outside, and inside the bracket it will be BQ plus DQ whole square, and here in denominator BQ plus DQ whole square. Now cancel out, so that will be K to the power 6. Now here E to the power 6, E to the power 6 means F to the power 6 K to the power 6, and in the denominator F to the power 6. Now F to the power 6 cancel out, so it will be also K to the power 6. That means left hand side equal to right hand side. Now next here the 17.4. So here BDF into A plus B by B plus C plus D by D plus E plus F by F whole to the power cube, that equal to 27 into A plus B into C plus D into E plus F. So first write down here B plus D, and then if you put down the value of A, that will be BK. So BK plus B. Now if B will be common, so it becomes B into K plus 1 by B. Next one as same D into K plus 1 by D, and the last one F into K plus 1 by F whole cube. So here F cancel out, D cancel out, and then B cancel out. So it will be BDF, and in bracket K plus 1, then again K plus 1, then again K plus 1. That means 3K plus 3 whole cube. Okay, so finally as if 3 will be common, then 3K plus 3, that when 3 will be common, it becomes 27 as here whole cube. So 27 BDF, here K plus 1 whole cube. Now in the right hand side here 27. Now here A plus B. A plus B means BK plus B. Okay, A means BK, so BK plus B. So that means if B will be common, then it equal to K plus 1. Now next one, if D will be common, then it also equals to K plus 1. and here f will be common, so k plus 1. So that means 27 b d f, and here k plus 1 are in 3 times, so that's why here put a cube. So now in the left hand side, the right hand side are equal, so that means it proved. Okay, now next sum number 18. In sum number 18, ax plus by plus cz equal to k, you have to let this one. So from that, x equal to k by a, and y equal to k by b, and z equal to k by c. Now you have to prove that x square by yz plus y square by zx plus z square by xy, that equal to this one. Now here you have to just put down the value of x, y and z. You can directly put down the value of x, y, z in numerator and denominator both, or you can use 2 steps. So here after put down the value of x, y, z in numerator, it will be k square by a square, k square by b square, and k square by c square. Then in the denominator yz, so k by b into k by c, zx k by c into k by a, and xy, so k by a into k by b. So here finally k square by a square, k square by b square, k square by c square divided by k square by bc, then k square by ca, and here k square by ab. So if k square will be cancelled out, so it will be bc by a square, and then ca by b square, and then ab by c square. So that equal to right hand side. So it's proved. Okay, now sum number 19. In sum number 19, a, b, c, d are in proportion. Then you have to prove that 5a plus 7b into 2c minus 3d, and that equal to 5c plus 7d into 2a minus 3b. So as a, b, c, d are in proportion, that means you can write a by b equal to c by d, and that equal to k. So from that, a equal to bk and c equal to dk. Now you can put down this value in this equation. So in the left hand side, 5a, okay, that means 5 into bk. So write down here 5bk, and 7b, so just write down here only 7b. And here 2c, 2c means 2dk minus 3d. Now here if b will be common, so it becomes 5k plus 7. Okay, and the next one, if here d will be common, so it becomes 2k minus 3. Now in the right hand side, here 5c plus 7d, so that means 5c means dk, so 5dk plus 7d, and here 2ak, that means 2bk minus 3b. So if here d will be common, so it becomes 5k plus 7. If here b will be common, so it becomes 2k minus 3. So in the left hand side, in the right hand side are equal. Here b into d and 5k plus 7 into 2k minus 3. Here also b into d and 5k plus 7 into 2k minus 3. That means it's proved. Now next part. So here in sum number 19(3), in sum number 19(3), a to the power 4 plus c to the power 4 ratio b to the power 4 plus d to the power 4. Now you have to prove that in the right hand side, a square c square, that ratio b square d square. Okay, so first I'm going to solve the left hand side, then I'm going to solve the right hand side. So here you can write down this by a fraction. So a to the power 4 plus c to the power 4 divided by b to the power 4 plus d to the power 4. Now a to the power 4 means b to the power 4 k to the power 4, as value of a equal to bk, and c to the power 4 means d to the power 4 k to the power 4, as value of c equal to dk. So in denominator b to the power 4 d to the power 4. Now if k to the power 4 will be common, so it becomes b to the power 4 plus d to the power 4 divided by the same b to the power 4 into d to the power 4. So finally you will got k to the power 4. Now in the right hand side you can write this in this way: a square c square by b square d square. Now a square means b square k square, and c square means d square k square. So here also b square d square, so b square cancel out, d square cancel out. Here k square into k square, so it becomes k to the power 4. That means left hand side equal to right hand side. Now 19(5), Okay, so in 19.5, in left hand side a plus c whole cube by b plus d whole cube, and right hand side a into a minus c whole square b into b minus d whole square. Now you know that a equal to bk and c equal to dk. Now I am going to put down this value. So here a plus c, that means bk plus dk whole cube divided by b plus d whole cube. Now if k will be common, so it becomes k cube, and here b plus d whole cube. Then here also b plus d whole cube, so it cancel out, and final answer k cube. Now in the right hand side same things. Here a means bk, here bk minus dk and its whole square. Here b, so b minus d whole square. Now b cancel out. Here if k will be common, so it becomes k square outside, and inside b minus d whole square. In denominator b minus d whole square. So here k into k square, that becomes k cube. Okay, so right hand side equal to left hand side. Okay, now sum number 6, 7 are same kind of problem. Each and every sum you have to put down the value of a equal to bk and value of c equal to dk. Then just put a common things, and then it will be the remaining part will be cancel out, and finally you will got left hand side equal to right hand side. Now I'm going to solve sum number 8, that means 19.8. So here a b c d into 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c square plus 1 by d square. Right hand side a square plus b square plus c square plus d square. So first here a means bk, so write down here bk into b, and c means dk, so dk into d, and then 1 by a square means 1 by b square k square. Okay, now next 1 by b square, and then 1 by d square k square, then last one 1 by d square. So here b into b square, d into d square, and here k into k square. Okay, so now here the LCM, as b square k square b square d square k square, so the LCM will be b square d square k square, and here b square k square, if you divided it by LCM, then it will be only d square. Now next one here only b square, so b square cancel out, so d square k square. Last one d square k square, so it will be only b square. Last one d square, so it will be b square k square. I hope you know how to add in a LCM. So here b square d square k square will be cancel out, so finally it will be b square plus d square plus d square k square plus b square k square. Now here just put down the value of a square, so it will be b square k square, then only b square, then c square d square, sorry c square means d square k square, and last one d square. So here the left hand side and the right hand side are identically same, that means left hand side equal to right hand side. Now sum number 20. In sum number 20, if x, y, z are in continued proportion, then you have to prove that x plus y whole square divided by y plus z whole square, and that equal to x by z. So first, if x, y, z are in continued proportion, that means you can write x by y equal to y by z. Okay, it will be repeat 2 times as they are in continued proportion. So now let k, so x equal to yk, and then y equal to zk. Okay, so if y equal to zk here, then you can put down the value of y here also, so that will be zk square. So finally x equal to zk square and y equal to zk. Now put on the value in the left hand side. X means zk square and y means zk, so whole cube, so whole square, and here zk plus z whole square. So if zk will be common, so it becomes zk k square, z square k square, and here k plus 1 whole square. If z will be common, so outside z square, and here k plus 1 whole square, so cancel out, and finally you will get only k square. Now in the right hand side, x by z, so x means z k square and z means only z, so z cancel out, and it will be also k square. So that means left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay, now sum number 22. In sum number 22, if a, b, c are in continued proportion, that means a by b, equal to b by c equal to c by d, and that equal to k. So from that, a equal to bk, then b equal to ck, and then c equal to dk. Now if c equal to dk, that means b equal to here dk square. Now if b equal to dk square, that means a equal to dk cube. That means the final value of a equal to dk cube, b equal to dk square, and c equal to dk. Now I am going to put down this value in the given proof. So here sum number 22 2, here 1 by a cube plus 1 by b cube plus 1 by c cube. So just put down the value. So it will be 1 by d cube k to the power 9. The next one 1 by d cube k to the power 6. Last one 1 by d cube k cube. So finally here d cube k to the power 9 is LCM. So it will be 1 plus k to the power 3 plus k to the power 6. Okay, now in the right hand side, a by b square c square. A means dk cube and b square c square means d square k to the power 4, and c square means d square k square. The next one dk square. Now c square means d square k square, then a square means d square k to the power 6. Last one dk by a square b square. So a square k to the power 6, and then d square k to the power 4. So here dk cube, and here d to the power 4, and then k to the power 6. Then second one dk square, here d to the power 4 k to the power 8, and then last one here d to the power 4 k to the power 10. Okay, so here d cancel out this one, it will be d cube, and here k cancel out, it will be k cube. Okay, so finally 1 by d cube k cube. The next one d cancel out the one d cube, and here k to the power 6. So it will be 1 by d cube k to the power 6. Last one d cancel out d cube, it cancel out k to the power 9. So 1 by d cube k to the power 9. Okay, so here in the next in the second line 1 by d cube k to the power 9, which is equal to this one. That means no need to done this line, so no need to do this one. So that means here left hand side equal to right hand side. It's proved. Okay, now sum number 4, that means 22 4. So here a square b square c square, that multiply with a to the power minus 4 plus b to the power minus 4 plus c to the power minus 4. Now whenever you multiply this one, then from the first one you will get b square c square by a square. Then next one you will get c square a square by b square, and the third one it will be a square b square by c square. Okay, as a to the power minus 4 means 1 by a to the power 4. So you can multiply this one and it will get a square, and 1 by a to the power minus 4 will be cancelled out. So in denominator will be only a square. Same thing will be happen for this one and this one. Now we can just put down the value. As you know, b equal to dk square. So that means here d square k to the power 4, and c into c equal to dk. So it's d square k square. Now a means dk cube. So it will be d square k to the power 6. Then same thing here d square k square. Then a means d square k to the power 6, and b square means d square k to the power 4. Then d square k to the power 6. Then b square means d square k to the power 4, and c square means d square k square. So d square cancel out, k square it will be k square. Here d square cancel out. So here k to the power 4, that will be k2. Then d square cancel out. Here k to the power 4, k to the square, it will be k to the power 6. So finally from the first one only d square. Then second one d square k to the power 4, and then third one d square k to the power 8. So if d square will be common, so it will be 1 plus k to the power 4 plus k to the power 8. Now right hand side. In right hand side minus b b to the power minus 2, that means 1 by b square into a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus c to the power 4. So 1 by b square means d square k to the power 4. Now here a to the power 4, that means d to the power 4 k to the power 12. Then next one b to the power 4, that means d to the power 4 k to the power 8. And then last one c to the power 4, so d to the power 4 k to the power 4. So if d to the power 4 and here k to the power 4 will be common, so divided by d square k to the power 4, and it will be k to the power 8 plus k to the power 4 plus 1. So here d square and here k4 will be cancelled out. So finally d square into k to the power 8 into k to the power 4 into 1. So that is equal to, with the left hand side and that equal to right hand side. So it's proved. Now sum number 22-5 and sum number 22-6 are similar kind of problem. Each and every problem you have to just put down the value of a, b and c, and then after common and then cancel out the remaining terms, and then you will get the answer. Now same thing will be happen for sum number 23. In sum number 23 there is also a, b, c, d are in continue proportion. So that means a equal to dk cube, b equal to dk square and c equal to dk. If a, b, c, d are in continue proportion, that means it always a equal to d cube, b equal to dk square and c equal to dk. You know that is from the previous sum. So here the sum number 1, that means 23-1. Now you have to prove that a cube plus b cube plus c cube divided by b cube plus c cube plus d cube, and that equal to a by d. So just put down the value of a, b and c. Okay, so here a cube means d cube k to the power 9, and then d cube k to the power 6, and then d cube k cube. Same thing here, d cube k to the power 6, d cube k cube, and the last one only d cube. So in the upper part, if d cube k to the power cube will be common, so it becomes k to the power 6 k to the power 3 plus 1. In the lower part, if d cube only common, so k to the power 6 k to the power cube 1. So it is cancel out, d cube cancel out, and it becomes only k to the power cube. Now here a by d, a means d k cube and only d cancel out, so only k cube. That means left hand side equal to right hand side. It's sum number 23-3. Now sum number 23-5. So here left hand side a minus b by c plus a minus c by b whole square. So put the value of a, dk cube minus dk square by dk plus dk cube minus dk by dk square. Now whole square, then again d minus dk square by dk plus d minus, here c means dk, so by, now b means dk square, so whole square. Now here if d will be common, dk common, okay, so dk square common, it will be k minus 1 and by dk, and here dk will be common, so k square minus 1 by dk square whole square. Now here d common, so 1 minus k square by dk, and here d common, so 1 minus k by dk square whole square. Okay, so now d cancel out, then k cancel out, it becomes k, here d and here k, dd cancel out, here dd cancel out. So it will be k into k minus 1 plus here k square minus 1 by k whole square. Now next here 1 minus k square by k and plus 1 minus k, so whole square. So here after LCM, here k will be NCM and it becomes k into k, so k square, so k square into k, k cube, then k square minus 1 minus k square, and here k square minus 1, here also k by k square, so here k square is the LCM, and then it will be k minus k cube plus 1 minus k, so here k cancel out, here k square cancel out, so you will got k cube minus 1 by k kq minus 1 by k square, here whole square, and here you will got 1 minus kq whole square, 1 minus kq whole square by k to the power 4, as here k square, so whole square k to the power 4. Okay, now next, in the first one, kq minus 1 whole square by k square, and if you here change the sign, then it will be also kq minus 1 whole square by k to the power 4. So that means kq minus 1 whole square, if kq minus 1 whole square will be common, so it becomes 1 by k square minus 1 by k to the power 4. So that equal to kq minus 1 whole square, and here k to the power 4 is LCM, so k square minus 1. So that is the left hand side. Now I am going to solve the right hand side. So in right hand side, a minus d whole square into 1 by c square minus 1 by b square. So a means dk cube minus d whole square, and c means 1 by d square k square minus 1 by d square k to the power 4. So here if d will be common, so d square, and it's kq minus 1 whole square. Now here d square k to the power 4 LCM, so equal k square minus 1. Now d square cancel out, so it will be kq minus 1 whole square into k square minus 1 divided by k4. So that means LCM equal to, LHS equal to RHS.